Man, spring is just blowing up around here. It's a azalea bush that's out in our front yard. It's just blowing up. There's our pink tree in the back. My Aunt Margot said it's a rosebud tree. It's beautiful. There's a couple little trees down in there. Our dogwood's opening up. Can't get a good picture of the flowers, but I have all the dogwoods around here all starting to blossom. And then what I'm pretty certain is the portal for coronavirus into the US, our shed, spooky shed. But yeah, it's beautiful out here with all the flowers and everything. And I have little flowers sprinkled over here, and obviously we have to clean up a bunch of these trash bushes. But yeah, got a bunch of little flowers there, more azalea gonna pop up, my pansies that definitely need to be transplanted. Yay, boxes that I gotta throw out. And then this bush, I don't know what kind of bush it is, but these little flowers are super fragrant. It's like a jasmine smell to it. They aren't very pretty, but man, they smell good. And there's been bees flocking all over it. It's just a little chilly this morning, so no bees yet. But there's our other dogwood tree. It's all opening up. I'll cut closer to these guys. But yeah, these guys just opened up. But yeah, it's all over. It's just blowing up with spring here. They are cute, Henley. Yeah, the chickens. It's a little foggy this morning, Henley. Yeah, look at some of the trees are blooming. We got our pink tree over there. Airplane? Oh.